Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, watching the channel today. I got another little mask coming out for you guys. Sorry if it's loud. I got my little 3D printer over here putting in work. And what I'm going to do today is I got this old Jason mask. Basically this was one of the ones you could buy from Spirit Halloweens they're tan. When I first got it I went ahead and rehauled it and made this out of it. Now that I'm kind of putting through trying to make them more movie accurate, I wanted to go back and revisit this one and make it better. So what I'm going to do is, basically I'm doing part 9, Friday the 13th part 9, Jason Goes to Hell. And I'm going to do the one that's all messed up, so it's going to have the big chunks out the top, chunks off the side, and then from the eye over it's going to have the chunks missing. And I'm going to do the best I can on it, and we're going to go ahead and hang it up on the wall out there with all the rest of them. So let's get to work. I'm going to probably not talk too much during this one because I don't know how loud this machine is. It's pretty loud. I don't have the cage on it, so I don't know if all you're hearing is sorry. But let's get to work on it. I'll show you what I'm using as I go if I don't talk, and so you guys get the idea. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments and I'll get back with you on them. So let's get the show on the road. Alright guys, there you have it. Friday the 13th part 9, Jason Goes to Hell. Didn't turn out too shabby. It's gonna look pretty good on the wall. I got this one done, and I got 2 more coming up. So make sure you're watching the channel. Maybe subscribe if you want. So when they're done, they'll pop up. Maybe you guys can watch them. If not, whatever. It's cool. Hit me up in the comments. You do these. Maybe what you think. Does it look like crap? Does it look cool? Have you done some? I'm going to go ahead and hang this thing up on the wall. Later on, I'll shoot you guys a video of all of them all together, the whole collection. I got 4 more left, I think. And then we'll get them out there, put them on the wall, and you guys can check them out. Hope this video helped you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.